Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this crop can't be displayed because it was used to spread pornographic content. So guys, if you are join any group on your Telegram and when you have opened that group facing this type of issue again and again and not be able to show any content here. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back on your home screen. And guys, now you have to open your Telegram. And guys, after opening your Telegram, you have to click on three lines and click on settings. And guys, after this, you have to click on privacy and security. So guys, from here, you have to click on here is the option of groups and channel. You have to make sure that you have select everybody from here. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back. So guys, now you have to open your Telegram in web browser. So guys, for example, I am going to open my Chrome browser, and guys, after this is here you need to search web.telegram.org. And guys, you need to log in your account in this web browser. And guys, after login your account, you have to click on three lines again and click on settings. From here you need to click on privacy and security again. So guys, if you have joined groups, then guys you have to scroll it down, and guys at the bottom of the setting you will see the sensitive content option. So guys, simply you have to enable that option, and after this you will be able to see all the content in that group, and after this your group will be unblocked. So guys, I have not that option because I have not joined any group on my Telegram account. So guys, by doing this method your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, no need to worry, you have to open your Telegram app, and guys from here you have to open your settings and click on ask a question. And guys, after this you have to click on start your chat. So guys, after this you have to write here your problem, click on I want to report a problem. And guys, I have problem with my account, and guys here you need to select any issue, or you need to write your problem that you're facing again and again related to groups. And guys, after this they will review your problem and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.